Right. Today we are going to see Lalita Sahasranamam, Shloka 135, recitation and word by word meaning. Rajya Lakshmi Koshanadha Chaduranga Baleshwari Samrajya Dayini Satya Sanda Sagara Mekhala. Rajyalakshmi Koshanada Chaduranga Baleshwari Samrajyadayini Satya Sanda Sagara Mekhala. Rajyalakshmi Koshanada Chaduranga Baleshwari Samrajyadayini Satya Sanda Sagara Mekhala. Now let's see the word by word meaning. Rajya Lakshmi. Lakshmi means the goddess of fortune or prosperity, and Rajya means kingdom. So Rajya Lakshmi means Devi is the wealth of kingdom. That's why Devi has the name Rajya Lakshmi. Kosha Nadha. Nadha means someone who protects. Kosha means the treasury. So Devi is the power who protects the treasury. That's why Devi has the name Koshanada. Chaduranga Baleshwari. Chatur means four. So Chaturanga means fourfold army. Bala Ishwari. Bala means strength. Ishwari means the Devi. So Chaturanka Baleshwari means Devi is the leader of fourfold army. So there are the four things that is governing our body, our thoughts, our actions. Those are mind, brain, thought, ego. So Devi is leading all these four emotions. That's why Devi has the name Chaturanga Baleshwari. Samrajya Dayini. Dayini means someone who gives it. And Samrajya means the empire. So Samrajya Dayini means Devi has the power to make the devotees an emperor. That's why Devi has the name Samrajya Dayini. Satya Sanda. Satya means truth. Sanda, Satya Sanda means always following the truth. Devi is always truthful. That's why Devi has the name Satya Sanda. Sagara Mekhala. Sagara means the ocean. And Mekhala means the land which is surrounded by the ocean. So Sagara Mekhala means Devi is the earth and Devi is surrounded by the sea. That's why Devi is the creation of the yugas, and Devi is the power who is maintaining that creations. And once the dissolution happens during the end of yuga, Devi is destroying everything. So everything happens on the earth. That is where the Devi is. That's why earth is considered to be a Devi. That is, earth is considered to be the goddess. So Devi is the earth that is surrounded by sea. That's why Devi has the name Sagara Mekhala. Rajya Lakshmi Koshanadha Chaturanga Baleshwari Samrajya Dayini Satya Sanda Sagara Mekhala. Rajya Lakshmi Koshanadha Chaturanga Baleshwari Samrajyadayini Satya Sandasagara Mekhala. Rajyalakshmi Koshanada Chaduranga Baleshwari Samrajyadayini Satya Sandasagara Mekhala. Thank you.